A few moments later.
I'm home! Lava! Oh, wala dito si Bar. Maybe he's in the gym. Oh my god, so hot, so hot. Init. I'm home, guys. Umuwi ako ng lunch break. Kasi wala lang. Half day lang ako sa office. Okay, let me just plug back my laptop. And we need to start working again. Guys, bili kami ng Yochi. Look at my outfit. Titty!
What's your outfit? Looks good.
Very comfy. Let's go!
I need one of those. I'm gonna ask Mum to get me.
Tita! I'm gonna wear Crocs as well.
You need to get these or not?
Not really. Maybe just a drink. Let's go!
Do you want me to bring a bag?
Time! No. I was being healthy. This guy invited me for a Yochi. Come here, outfit check. Chitty!
Wait, look like a baby. You got baby shoes on and a jumper.
This is not a jumper, it's like an Udi. Okay, hi, my love.
Yo. Look at that Udi. This is the same thing on both sides.
The Oreo one.
Oreo.
I want it.
That's it?
Yeah.
You spent
Second day at
$100.
Yochi.
Hello.
We're off to the shops, guys. We're gonna apply for our Australian passport.
You excited? For the shitty passport that bends?
Is it? Does it bend?
And then shitty quality.
Mate, for $400?
Yeah. This one was way better. Look at it.
Guys, we just got home. Buti na lang, maaga kami dun kanina sa sa Australia Post. Kasi after namin, grabe na yung pila, guys, for passport pickup, taking photos, and submitting your applications. Dito kasi, guys, kapag nag-a-apply ka ng passport, sa Australia Post lang. Di ba dyan kasi sa Pilipinas, kailangan mo talagang pumunta ng DFA? Dito, kahit saang Australia Post ka lang mag-submit ng applications mo and magbayad. Which is, I think, very convenient kasi, you know, hindi mo na kailangan ng appointment, hindi mo na kailangan pumila and everything. And then, after namin dun, I saw a store na nagbebenta nito. Para siyang winter Is this a winter socks or winter shoes?
Like a slipper.
Like a slipper. Yeah, like a winter slipper, pang bahay lang. My feet always get so cold during winter. Like, literally, sobrang lamig niya. Naninigas siya sa lamig. So, kailangan ko talaga nito. Meron akong heat tech socks from Uniqlo. Pero hindi niya kaya, guys. Malamig pa din. Hindi ko ba alam ba't ganyan yung paa ko. So yeah, I got this one. This is $25 ata to. So it's like a thick, fluffy socks or slippers. And then after, I also stopped by Oz Hair and Beauty. I ran out of my favorite Kerastase hair serum. Matagal na ako naubusan, guys. Ngayon lang ako nakabili kasi ngayon lang nag-sale. Naka 20% off siya. So, I grabbed two actually. One, this magic serum. And yung isa is the hair oil. Kasi paubos na din yung hair oil ko. I think I have like 2-3 uses of my hair oil. And wala na, ubos na siya. This is very expensive, I have to say. Very expensive, but it's so worth it. Very effective siya, guys. Lagay mo siya sa gabi, tapos pagkagising mo talaga sa umaga, very soft yung hair mo. Sa ends ko lang siya nilalagay. Actually, sometimes I also put this in the morning para maging soft lang yung ends ng hair ko. And this is my favorite hair oil din from Kerastase. Yung binili ko na lang is the refill. So, it's a bit cheaper, like $20 cheaper for a refill. Pero yan lang siya. Again, very expensive hair oil. Pero matagal naman siyang nauubos, guys. Kasi I just put one pump in my hair with my thick hair and long hair. Tapos, ginaganon ko lang siya to warm it up. Tapos yun, sinispread ko siya. Maganda to kasi it also serves as heat protectant sa hair nyo. Kasi minsan, lalo na kapag medyo humid dito sa Sydney, nalulus yung curl ng hair ko. So, sa umaga, I try to refresh it with my Dyson. So, ito lang yung nilalagay ko as heat protectant. So, yeah, these two made me broke today.
Ano naman po?
Sana naman po ang kasama natin ngayon.
Hello!
Kainin na natin ito.
Guys, must have and must miss it. It's nice. Yeah. Pero parang...
Siguro sister mo. Grabe ang thick nung ano.
Grabe yung thick.
Ano ba yun?
Cream ba yan?
Grabe oh.
Cream ba yan or...
Doon daw.
Parang heavy niya sa chan.
No.
Cinnamon spread. Ang sarap. Guys. Oh, guys yun.
Ano yung sasabihin sa vlog?
Wala, masarap dito guys.
Munta yung ano, yung almond.
Ang dami ko rin girl.
Ang daming almond. Guys, nandito kami sa David Jones. Naghahanap ng sunnies. Mabubudol to siya, guys.
Bakit?
Yes. Ganda. Ganda ba?
Yeah, thank you.
Ano yung to? Ito na parang isang lens.
Oo. Ang cute. Parang social natin yun.
Pero maganda din. Sa tingin?
Guys, 500 po na. Power Rangers. SPD. Comment down below kung bagay sa amin.
500 to guys.
100 to guys.
Sinong bibili nito?
540. Kausapin ko yung bibili nito, guys. Tanong ko lang kung bakit. Formula 1 something. You guys.
No, yeah. That's the don't talk to me. That's the airport one. Yeah.
Ito is,
Every day.
give me a sec.
Give me a sec. Bagay lang sa'yo, Bel. Guys, nabudol natin siya. Tcharan! Budol is real!
Guys, next, yun po ako makikita sa wedding na po. Ha?
Kasi
Sa
guys,
wedding
every
vlog
time na magkasama kami, binubudol namin yung isa't isa.
Nagbubudolan lang po.
Tcharan! Ayun, sobrang fun.
Sobrang fast. Kaya ang ganda.
Diba? Sabi sa'yo. Diba? Hello guys, ang
Ang ganda. Yan na.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Park Street Diner.
Kung saan dapat talaga kami pupunta.
Yeah, ito dapat yung first stop namin.
Hi, how are you?
And I'll have the double beef and cheese with the tropical fresh juice, please.
No, we're
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you.
So back to the story. Ito dapat guys yung first stop namin.
But we ended up
But we ended up at, what was that cafe again?
Kahi.
Kahi Cafe. Tapos, pumunta kami ng St. Mary's Cathedral para magpasalamat lang. Tapos,
What's this?
nang demonyo na naman yung friend natin.
Guys, nagkita kami ng Monday sa Yochi. And ganito kasi yan. So, nakita kami ng Monday sa Yochi unexpectedly.
Yeah.
Tapos, like, she was saying na, oh, window shopping tayo sa Monday. After Park Street, window shopping window. Because she was eyeing for a Sunny's sa YSL or sa Gentle Monster. So, when we got into David Jones na, nakita namin Gentle Monster. Tapos, agad-agad, pagbungad pa lang. So, we check it out. Tapos, may binili siya, guys. Siya lang dapat ang bibili, right? Binudol niya ako. Sabi niya,
Nagpabudol naman siya guys, so it wasn't my fault. Diba?
So, yun. Dalawa kami nakabili, guys.
Deserve naman namin guys, kasi si Andrew, 7 days siyang nag-work. 7 days straight.
Guys, yung box, 300.
Yung Sunny's.
Sunny's, 70. Lalaki. Ay, pwede dalawa dito.
Pwede?
Pili ko.
Try mo daw. Ay, oo nga. Oh, yan. Ito-try na yung bagong Sunny's. Yan. Perfect. Don't talk to me.
Don't talk to me yet. I just woke up.
Uy, maganda ba yun? Uy, maganda.
Okay, so makikita niyo po ako sa next vlog sa wedding na niya, ha? That's gonna be next year. Wala na muna for now. Ito muna. Ito na muna.
Kasi guys, every time nagmi-meet kami, napapagastos po kami. Wala pong meet na hindi napapagastos. Kaya ang ganda ng case niya. Pero malaki siya, no?
Wala po. Nakaputi pa naman ako. Di ba ganda yung lighting?
Guys, look. Tcharam! Ubus. Ubus, guys. Pero yung juice, I don't recommend it. Tcharam! $10 yan, guys. Yeah. $10 tapos sabi nila, fresh juice. Parang hindi naman siya fresh juice. Parang bottled lang siya.
Parang pag uwi ko mamaya,
Tulog ka
pumunta
na.
ako kay Jeff. Ganun.
Ano ba?
Or siguro may
May sakit
ano
ka
lang ako.
kasi. May sakit siya, guys. Nagkasakit siya kasi bumili siya ng Gentle Monster.
No joke, first time ko to.
Napaiyak siya sa Gentle Monster, guys.
Makikita niyo yun mamaya, guys. So, see you in Feb.
Tagal naman ang Feb. June. Ay, hindi,
See
next
you in
month
New
na yun.
Zealand. Wala.
Sama ka na.
Ito nag-aaya, mag-New Zealand. Alam mo, nandyan lang ko. Nandyan na sasama ako.
Parang 1 hour lang.
Oo. Tapos
Wait.
5 days.
Para magamit mo naman yung Gentle Monster mo internationally.
Hindi, sa wedding, guys, kasal na po niya ito gagamitin.
Ang tagal pa. Next year pa. Pero maganda yun, guys. Yung nabili niya na Sunny's, bagay talaga sa kanya.
Pareho lang kami, guys. Yung dots lang yung...
Okay.
Yung dat.
Yung dots lang yung magkaiba. Sa kanya sa harap, sa akin sa gilid.
Tapos mas mahal yung akin. $15 more.
Kasi dito sa ganun.
Kasi pag $15.
May ano din sa'yo, may extra. So yun. 750.
Reset.
Kung isa lang yun, edi, ano lang yun, 750 lang.
Ano ko, sa next stop natin, Birkenstock.
Bibili ka?
Hindi, check lang
Tingin
natin.
naman tayo?
Yeah, tingin.
Are we going na ba? Tara.
Ay, may ano, busog pa
Mamaya na,
ako.
Ito maganda kapag umulan.
Oo.
Kasi hindi siya,
Bigas.
hindi siya suede. Suede to, di ba?
Sweet.
Hello guys, ang ganda.
No.
Nagsisale
Cute
ba
din
to kapag end of financial year?
Feel?
Ang ganda.
Hmm.
Kasi dito kami sa Birkenstock. Gusto kong bumili ng bagong Birkenstock. Kasi yung akin,
Alam mo yung pamadali ang bit pag
yeah.
kailangan mong lumabas na.
Tsaka magaan siya.
Yung kang sapatos minsan.
Guys, buhok ni Andrew. Ginawa nilang sapatos. Guys, ibudol na naman natin si Andrew na to. Oh.
Bili ka na.
Gusto pa.
Hindi. Kung ganyan ka mahal.
Guys, another budol. Hindi successful yung Birkenstock trip namin. So, nandito kami sa UGG. Walang cute. Goal number 2.
Cheta lang. Cheta lang. Hindi siya 300.
Guys, samahan niyo ako mag-run ng errands on my lunch break. Nung Monday, bumili kami ni Drew ng Uggs na slippers, pero medyo malaki siya para sa akin. One size down lang naman, so ibabalik ko siya and I'm gonna exchange it for a smaller size. Hi, I bought a plugs last Monday and I got the wrong size. I was wondering if I can exchange it to the right size. Okay, so that was done, guys. Very easy lang. Nag-size down lang talaga ako ng one size smaller. Naku na, ang init. Ang thick kasi ng coat ko kasi kaninang umaga sobrang lamig naman. Ngayon, it's cloudy pero ang init. I need to stop by Mecca din. Bibili ako ng hair clip. Nag-order ako online, pero it's been almost 3 weeks, hindi pa siya dumadating. So, bibili na lang tayo sa Mecca. Thinking if I should get this. This is good for half up, half down. But, hindi niya kaya yung buong buhok ko. Or, get this one. Or should I get both? I'll get both.